पोर्तुगेज आणि आडनदर केल्ल्या चर्चीचे आणि कॉन्व्हेंटांचे पुनर्वसन करात म्हूण बीजेपीचो म्हणयारो सावियो रॉड्रिगीजान मागणी केला. पुर्तुगेज काळांतली भग्न जाल्ली देवळां जाग्यार घालपा खातीर सरकार यत्न करता. तशेंच इतिहासीक चर्चींच्या पुनर्वसनाक सरकारान समिती नेमून अभ्यास करचो. ह्या कामाक फंड दवरचो म्हूण सावियो मुख्यमंत्र्याक चीट बरयला.
In that letter, I appealed to commission a study and set up a fund for the renovation and restoration of historic churches. This is in keeping in line with the intent of the Goa government to restore temples destroyed during the Portuguese rule. During the Portuguese rules, there were also churches and convents that were neglected and left to ruin or confiscated. We need to commission that study to understand what are these historic churches, where are these historic churches that can be renovated and that can be restored.